How to fix server did not respond. Please return to the login page and try again error on PUBG. Hello guys, this is Atticus from Create Login and Delete, back with another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix server did not respond. Please return to the login page and try again error on PUBG. So now let's get started. So first thing you'll want to do is just go to your app store and check for updates if there is any. So just search for PUBG, and after you open PUBG, if there is an update available, just update it. And after you've updated it, you can go back and try again. And if the problem is still there, what you'll need to do is you'll need to go to your settings. After you're on your settings, go to General, and on General you'll find iPhone storage. Now under iPhone storage, search for PUBG, and you will need to offload the app. After you offload the app, you can reinstall it back again from here and go to your PUBG and your problem should get fixed. So that is how you fix the problem, guys, and that is pretty much it for the video too. If you have any questions, leave it down in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. That is all. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos.